In this we have like it's stated in the question, it's a view or a shaft cover. Now we needed to use viewports to extract the following views: the shaded gray of visual stripe. Now the first is three-dimensional views in southwest plane. B is plan view and C is end view. And this, as you can see, it's actually very good marks, 20 marks. And we have been given two views here. We've been given the plan and we have been given the front. It is the plan and the front, meaning this, as you can see, it has been given in a third angle projection. This is third angle projection. So how do we go about a question like this when we are told to extract using viewports? So the first thing that we are going to do, we are going to draw this drawing in 3D. A setting, we are going to draw this in 3D, and then after that we'll extract this using the viewport setting and have according to the question. So the first thing is we are going to do the page setup. That is normal, we must do that. So type units, then do the settings for the units. In the settings for the unit, kindly have precision to be 0.0 and the scale to be in inches. In millimeters, a scale to be 0.0 and a scale in inches. Then limits is 0, 0 and 297, 210. Then we zoom all. After that, then we get to UCS icon, then N for no origin. So after that we have the other settings for we do other settings. So these other settings include set the view to be in south west isometric, have it in southeast. Then according to the question we will change it to southwest, and the visual style, have it in shades of gray. Yes, so with that we can begin our drawing. So our drawing states that the length of the drawing is, the length of the plan is 100 and the width is 90. So we draw a rectangle of 100 by 90. So have auto mode on while doing this. 100 by 90. Well, 100 by 90. Well, after that we are going to press pull this according to the height that has been given in the front. It is press pull to 12. Press pull to 12. Press pull this to a distance of 12. Well, just press pull it to a distance of 12. So we'll press pull it up to a distance of 12. Well, after that we are going to get back to the drawing and see, we are supposed to have circles of radius 18 or of diameter 18 and diameter 40. So we have the circles. The first thing, kindly change. It's very easy to work using the 2D wireframe. So have the centers, have them to the centers, and with this we are trying to estimate the center so that we know the point that we will draw in. So at this intersection, draw of diameter 40 and again another of diameter 18. So we have the two. So remove the two lines, remove the two lines, remove, delete them, and then move this out because we shall use it not really now, we'll use it later. Well, after that we are going to press pull this up to a distance indicated here, a distance indicated in the drawing. As you can see in the drawing, the full height is 50 and we have press pull to a distance of 12. Now 50 minus 12 is 38. So meaning we have to press pull this up to a distance of 38. Press pull it to a distance of 38. Distance of 38. Good. 38. After that we are going to use move this to the center, move this to the center, move the center, have your ortho mode off. Good, that center. So press pull it down, press pull it down, because as you can see in the drawing, if you look at the drawing, it is a hollow that goes through. Yes, so meaning there is a hole there, as we have done. The next thing to do is to have the points. The next thing to do is to have these points. So this one, we have to delete the circles that we used. Good. Now that we have only the solid. So after that, what's the dimension? The dimensions for these other circles at this corner. So the dimensions we get this way. It is 15, as you can see here at this point, 15, and again this other side 15, so that we get to the center of the circles. After that, we have the holes to be diameter of 4, and again the corners, we have a fillet of R14 are at the same points. We have 4 holes of depth 4 millimeters, and it is to a diameter of 16. Well, so we do that. We'll start with the diameters of diameter 10 and diameter 16, then we will press pull them from that point. You draw a line from this, have your auto mode on, so 15, and again have 15. The same thing, have 15 and have 15. Have your auto mode on so that this kind of thing does not happen again. Yes, so at this point we have, well, 15. Well, and I have the circles. We have the circle of diameter 10 and another circle of diameter 16. So these circles are in both points. So we'll copy with auto mode off. We'll copy from the center to the center and again to the center, and for that other one we'll have to change southwest. Good, so that we have to draw another line of 15. Check. Line to 15, distance of 15. 15, then copy. From the center to the center. So we have the lines. Delete these, the ones that we've used to get the centers. Delete them. Delete those other ones. Delete those other lines. Good. Now at that point we have that. So the next thing is we are going to go back to the drawing and check, is this a through through line, as the line goes through as a whole, full hole, it is a hollow, so meaning we will get it to press pull it full distance. We will press pull this full distance, press pull full distance, this is not picking. Okay, change side and have it in south west. Good, let's get it from there. Well, this isn't picking. Let's copy, delete this, and have a line again. Let's get the pointer fresh. 15 to 15. Escape. So from there we again have the two circles. From this point of D, 10, and D, 16. So press pull all D10 and delete the lines. So after that, let's check in. Yes, we are right. So the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to have the 4 millimeters depth of this D16. So we are going to press pull it to 4. Press pull it to 4. Press pull it to 4. And lastly 1. Press pull this to 4. Then you can delete the circles that were used. Good. Well, so after doing that, we want to get to the fillet, but let's check. This is right. This is right. Let's get the fillet, and in filleting we have the fillet to be R15. R15. The radius for the fillets are to a distance of R14 according to the specifications given, according to the dimension there it is R14. So we come and pick on fillets, then you type R, and you get the fillet radius of 14, enter 14, and then lastly you come to the point or the line that you want to do filleting and double enter, and that is done. So when you want to get the next, we just enter and do the same process, because already fillet is in the process. So R14, and we have the point, and that is done. And we can come to this other side, R14, and we point on the line that we want, and we double enter. That is done. Then we change on the side. So we have this other side, pick on fillet and R14, pick on the line you want to do filleting and double enter. So filleting for the first lines, for the corners is done. Now we have another fillet that is remaining. Get to the front, you will see fillet of R3, fillet of R3. So we pick on fillet R3 and press on where you want to do filleting. That is done. R3. So meaning this thing can be so fast like that. It can be so fast like that, and it is done. R3 can be so fast like that, and it is done. So there is one filleting that is remaining still. Look at here, R4, just at the joint of the cylinder and the base. There is fillet of R4. So we do that also. Come to fillet, you have R4, and press on where you want to place your fillet, and double enter, and it is done. Then we go back now to the drawing to check that have we really exhausted all. On the front part we have exhausted. We've exhausted on the front as well. On the plan 2 we have exhausted. So meaning this is the exact figure that is required. Now the next thing is to move it out of the base that we used first to draw. So type move, just have any base point and have it there. After that delete these, and now have it at the center. Then so we have this as the figure, and in the next video kindly check that we may get to the last point of extracting using viewports. Thank you. Subscribe, like and share that we may grow together.